Hello and welcome. Today we are continuing our 12 Days of Christmas challenge. Thank you to everyone who is sharing their beautiful videos on Instagram. I am loving those. Alrighty, let's get started. Make sure you grab the printable. It's free, it's complimentary, so why not? So the chords we'll be using for this are F. I have a low G on this ukulele, so it might sound a little bit different, but you and I can still play together. Then we have a B flat. You can play it this way, or you can play with a full bar. For me, I'm not quite strong enough for that, so I do it this way. Next we need a G, C, A, and D minor, and a C7. Okay, this song starts with a pickup note. That means that there is a note, and then we strum on wish. We wish you a Merry Christmas. When I was notating the song, I was kind of impressed with how interesting it is. First of all, the song is in a 3-beat feel. So it's all in 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All the chord changes are gonna happen somehow in a feel of 3, which is really cool. I'm excited we have a challenge here. For the strumming, I really like to follow the way the words go. So on the bars where we have wish you a merry, I like to strum that. We wish you a merry. So that would be down, down, up, down, up. And then on Christmas week, I'm just doing simple down strums. Let me put that together so that it makes sense. If you're looking at the notation, you'll see 8th notes, the ones that are kind of hugging. Anytime you're supposed to do a down up strum. So that's really handy that you have it there. The only really difficult part of the whole song is where we have 4 chord changes back to back. And that happens when we say you and your kin. You and your kin. We have D minor. You and your kin. So D minor, C, G, C. Again, ready, go. D minor, C, G, C. Again, ready, go. D minor, C, G, C. Again, 1, 2, ready, go. D minor, C, G, C. That's it. If you can do that, you can do the whole song. Let's try to play through the whole song. Because this is in 3, I will say 1, 2, 3, ready, go. Wish you a Merry Christmas. Okay? Get ready on F. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. Wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. How was that? That was a little fast. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. Wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now let's tackle the next half of the song. For that, I'm just doing down strums. So, good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Okay, let's try that together. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. Tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. Wow, that second half I think is where the challenge of this song is. Not really in the strumming, but in this hand switching, right? Okay, take a little break real quick, stretch the hands. Let's try that again. If you get stuck on any chord, just jump into the next one with me, okay? So we're starting right on the word tidings, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. Tidings we bring to you and your kin. try this again, because none of it is impossible. It really just is training your fingers to move to some awkward positions that we haven't really done before. But none of it is impossible. It's just not familiar. So let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. Tidings we bring to you and your kin, the tidings for Christmas and a happy new year. That already felt better. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. Tidings we bring to you and your kin, the tidings for Christmas and a happy new year. Now you do have an option. Let's say that to you feels impossible. Then do the finger picking part. And go back into strumming the We Wish You Merry Christmas part. And that would work too. Now you have everything you need to be able to play the whole song. Sure, it might take a little bit more practice, but let's just try to play along. Okay, we'll take it a little slow. I will give you 1, 2, 3, ready, go. And we start on Wish, okay? 1, 2, 3, ready, go. Wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a... Repeat. Beginning. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Okay, I hope that you enjoyed this. It is a challenge, so I'm kind of glad that we're learning something new through this challenge. I think that's really fun. So yeah, take some time, practice this, learn a few new skills, impress your family, and remember, the best way to learn something is to teach it to somebody else. So if you have somebody that you can teach this song to, that'll help you cement the learning. I hope that you have a wonderful time practicing, and I will see you for the next video. Sayonara!